Der er kamp, der er kamp. Gå, 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 frem, 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 frem. Han er ikke tid.
What's up guys, and welcome back. This is the first day of the Milsim Operation Roaring Bears. As it is by now, the only thing we know is that there are Russian forces in the area. So our job for today is to research the area and gather information and intel about the surroundings. Here you can see that me and my teammates from Team Good to Go are preparing our breakfast.
Vi laver en til kaffe også der.
Jeg tror alt i alt er huske kaffe til 1 minut.
Jeg har taget 4 det der Brewers Cup med, så vi har nok til 8 kopper eller sådan noget.
We have built our base and set 2 outposts, and my team will be sent out on our first mission, and that will be to find a radio jammer that has been breaking our communication. So we are just about to get ready, and we'll go for the hunt.
Lord her, Harbo, kom ind. Skift. Hvad er Limas opgave i forhold til os? Skift.
So at this point we have located 2 Russian soldiers, and I'm communicating with our commander about the situation and awaiting orders.
Det er ham modtaget, vi afventer Limas ankomst. Skift.
And since we don't know anything about the area around us, our commander has sent another team to support us, a team called Lima. So we'll be 7 guys in total that will be looking for the radio jammer and trying to clear the area from Russians.
Vi har haft opsyn af 2 russere, der står længere fremme ved vejen. Vi må ikke starte helt. Nej, vi kun ja. Det er om det der, hedder det presenning, eller hedder det? Ja. Lord her, Harbo, kom ind. Vi nærmer os en russisk base lignende tilstand, hvor vi forventer, at pakken er gemt, men den er bevogtet af russer. Hvad gør vi? Skift. Ja, der ligger for noget camouflage-net spændt op.
For this Milsim, I'm playing on the NATO side, and the rule is that we are not allowed to attack the Russian forces unless they attack us, so we can only respond to the attack. Right now we can hear the Russians are attacking some of our NATO forces that are in the area, and I'm just making a quick call back to the commander, informing him about the situation, and he is giving us the order to go to attack and eliminate all the Russian forces that are ahead of us.
3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Han er nede, fortsæt, fortsæt, fortsæt! Bag kommer det til! Han er nede, fortsæt! Harbo, vi har sikret stedet her. Skift.
After taking down the Russian forces, we are just doing a quick research and to see if they have any kind of intel. But at this Milsim, they haven't been giving any kind of cards to the players, so we are just doing it for the fun of it. But our mission was to find the radio jammer, and we still haven't found it, so it's still ongoing, and we have to go back to work.
Vi skal have fundet jammeren. Vi skal have fundet jammeren. Hvad skal?
Ja.
Ja, vi står her altså, ikke?
Ja.
Ja, med sti der.
Ja, det skal være 12 lavet.
Så
Skal vi...
jeg skal længere derind altså.
Den skal være her.
Jeg skal længere den her vej. Det er længere der. Følg i orden.
Hvad er det inde? Jeg bliver helt over ved grænsen. Vi kan ikke sige noget.
Ja,
Er det længere inde? Den skal være herinde et andet sted.
Og så. Nu står vi her, ikke? Vi er sikkert her i det her.
Det er grænsen.
Og 12'eren og J. Vi skal 50 meter længere ud af der. Så.
Ja.
Vi har fundet jammeren. Vi har fundet jammeren. Vend om. Okay. Ja. Go.
So here we are about 10 to 15 minutes later. We have located the jammer and are now rushing towards it to eliminate it.
Second line. Modtaget.
Der er et kort, der ligger der. Er det ikke nemmere at tage det, Mike? Der kommer vi i dækning.
Jo, gør det.
Har vi sikret det der område? Det er det der spørgsmål. Det har vi. Nej, nemlig. Nej, fordi vi er nok deroppe. Vi skal i sådan der også.
So now that the jammer has been destroyed, we are rushing back home to our base. While we were running back, we almost ran into a big attack in the middle of our NATO forces and the Russian forces. So we were just stuck in the middle and were trying to figure out to which side we should fire.
NATO! Vi skal tilbage til vores base. Ja. Se. God dag.
Here we are reporting back at our commander after a successful mission.
We need to build a wall.
And as I told you at the beginning of the video, this Milsim was very slow paced, so Viskor and I spent around 4 hours at this observation post in total. So we had a lot of fun trying to act like clowns.
Look what we have built! We built this city!
This is the last mission for today. My team and I were sent out to locate the last observation post from the Russians.
Der er kamp. Go! Frem! Han er nede! Lidt tilbage. Ja, jeg har spottet ham. Lav! Nej, han er ikke nede, han er stadig aktiv. Han er nede! Jeg har ham. Ja, Viskor. Visuelt.
Well guys, this was the first day of the Milsim Roaring Bears. Next week I'll be uploading the next episode that will contain the last day of the event, where we have gathered all the needed information, so the only thing that's left is to kick the Russians out of the area. So stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to see you next week. And of course, if you have any comments to this video, please leave it below, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.